Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Football Scout. In today's video we will cover Premier League match Leicester City vs Brighton. So let's start with the current team position. As you can see, Leicester City, they are currently at position 3 and Brighton, they are at position 15. A very important match for Leicester City. They cannot afford to lose this match as they are only 3 points clear Chelsea, which are currently at position 4. Chelsea they have 51 points and Leicester City they have 54 points. To maintain their position, Leicester City must win this match. On the other hand, Brighton they have 32 points. They are 5 points clear the relegation zone, so they will be hoping for a draw today. They will be more than happy to have a draw. Leicester City they have played 30 matches, out of which they have won 16, have drawn 6 and have lost 8 matches. In 30 matches they have scored 59 goals and have conceded 29 goals. They have third best defense in Premier League. On the other hand, Brighton they have also played 30 matches. In 30 matches they have scored 34 goals and have conceded 41 goals. So as per the league standing, Leicester City they are clear favorites to win this match. Now let's see probable lineup. Let's start with Leicester City first. Leicester City they play 4-1-4-1 formation. Schmeichel will be their goalkeeper. The 4 defenders will be Chilwell, Soyuncu, Evans and Justin. Since Ricardo Pereira is out injured, instead of him Justin will start. Soyuncu and Chilwell are decent option from Leicester's defense. Both these defenders are very deadly from set pieces. In fact, Chilwell scored from a set piece in last match against Watford, which ended up in 1-1 draw. Soyuncu was unlucky not to score. NDD will be the defensive midfielder. Barnes, Maddison, Tielemans and Albrechten will be the 4 midfielders. Instead of Albrechten, Perez can also start. For Leicester City, Maddison takes all the free kick. Even in last match, Maddison took the free kick and crossed the ball towards Soyuncu. Soyuncu was unlucky not to score. It would have been a wonderful set piece goal. Even Barnes is a decent option. There are slight chances of Gray to start instead of Barnes, as Gray provided the assist in the last match against Watford. If Albrechten starts today, you can pick him. He played really well against Watford. He was also unlucky not to score. He took a wonderful strike which hit the post. Even Leicester City manager thought it was a goal. James Vardy will be the striker. James Vardy is the highest goal scorer with 19 goals. James Vardy did not got the dream start. Even in last match he failed to score. He had a wonderful chance, one-on-one against goalkeeper, but he missed. Now let's see Leicester City statistics. James Vardy, he is the highest goal scorer with 19 goals and 4 assists. Perez with 7 goals and 4 assists. Barnes with 6 goals and 6 assists. Maddison with 6 goals and 3 assists. Barnes, Maddison are decent option from Leicester's midfield. If Perez start today, then you can pick him. He is also a decent option. Chilwell with 3 goals and 3 assists. Tielemans with 3 goals and 5 assists. NDD with 2 goals. Gray with 1 goal and 2 assists. And Mark Albrechten with 3 assists. He was very unlucky not to score in last match. As you can see, he has only played 560 minutes. In 560 minutes, he has scored. He has provided with 3 assists, and was about to score in yesterday's match against Watford. Not yesterday, but last match against Watford. So he can be your punt pick if you want to take risk in Grand League. Then you can vice captain him. He is also a good option. Now let's see Brighton statistics. Mope, he is the highest goal scorer with 9 goals and 2 assists. Then the defender Webster with 3 goals and 1 assist. Trossard with 3 goals and 3 assists. Lewis Dunk with 3 goals and 3 assists. The defenders Webster and Dunk are deadly from set pieces, so you can pick them not for the clean sheet but for an attacking option. In midfield, Trossard is a decent option. Even Moy is a good option with 2 goals and 1 assist. And Proper with 1 goal and 2 assists. Gross with 2 goals and 4 assists. That's it. Let's see Brighton probable lineup. Brighton, they play 4-2-3-1 formation. Ryan will be the goalkeeper. Montoya, Dunk, Webster and Byrne will be the 4 defenders. Webster and Dunk are decent option from Brighton's defense. As I've already shown, they are good attacking options. Bissouma and Proper, they will play as a defensive midfielder. Solimarch or Gross, they will play as an attacking midfielder. Moy and Trossard will play as left and right midfielders. Mope, he will play as a centre forward. He is the highest goal scorer and a must pick from Brighton side. In fact, Mope is in great form against Arsenal. He showed that he scored a winner against Arsenal. Brighton won that match with a scoreline of 2-1. Now let's see some match facts. Brighton, they have drawn the last 3 away matches in Premier League. Leicester City, they are undefeated in their last 5 matches against Brighton. Brighton, they have only won 1 of the last 14 away matches. As I've already told, Leicester City, they are at 3rd position. They are just 3 points clear from Chelsea. To maintain their position, they must win this match. Some important fact: in their last 2 meetings this season, James Vardy, he has scored a goal against Brighton. So James Vardy becomes the important player because in their last 2 meetings he has scored a goal. My verdict: Leicester City did not have a dream start after the pandemic break. They drew against Watford with a scoreline of 1-1, a very disappointing start. Even before the pandemic break, their form was not that good. I'll show you their form. Let's see Leicester City's last 6 matches form. They lost against Aston Villa with a 2-1 scoreline. They drew against Chelsea with a 2-2 scoreline. Against Wolves, it was again a draw with a 0-0 scoreline. They lost against City with a 0-1 scoreline. They lost against Norwich City with a 0-1 scoreline. So as you can see, they were struggling even before the pandemic break. I've watched their last match against Watford. Leicester City, they struggled to create chances in first half. The only goal scoring chance was in first half came when Watford, they made a blunder in defense, and James Vardy missed that chance as well. Leicester City, they were sloppy in defense in second half as well. Watford, they created 2 chances in first 10 minutes, but after 50th minute, Leicester City played really well, and Soyuncu and Albrington, they were unlucky not to score. After 50th minute, Leicester City created a lot of chances. It was very disappointing result for them. They played well, still they ended up with a draw. Leicester City, on paper, they are clear favourites to win this match. So my prediction is Leicester City 2, Brighton 1. So this is my team with a scoreline of 2-1. This team is for head-to-head matches. James Vardy is my captain and Maddison is my vice captain. In defense, I have picked Soyuncu, Chilwell and Dunk. Even Webster is a decent option. All these defenders are great at attacking option. In midfield, I have picked Barnes, Maddison, Albrington, Trossard and Proper. Even Moy and Gross are decent option. Albrington is a punt pick. If he starts, he is a good option. He was very unlucky not to score against Watford. In a Grand League team, you can even vice captain him. Vardy and Mope are my 2 forwards. both are must pick. This is my another head-to-head team in which I am hoping for a low scoring match, a 1-0 score line match. In this team I have picked whole Leicester City defense, and from Brighton I have picked Tunk. In midfield I have gone for Maddison, Gross, Moy, Proper. Instead of Maddison you can go for Albrighton. And in this team I have dropped Mope. I've picked James Vardy and he is my vice captain for this match. Even a 1-1 scoreline is possible. In that case you can drop John Evans and pick Mope, and you can captain Vardy and vice captain Mope. So that's it guys, hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.